Hi guys, John here from Donley Ford. Today I'm going to show you a 2024 Bronco Sport that we have on our lot here. It's the Heritage Edition. It comes with the white wheels. You can see the white roof. It's got the white pinstripe down the side. Kind of a retro look to it. Beautiful looking vehicle. On the inside it's got wireless charging. It's got heated seats. Here, I'll show you around. Interior, we have a really cool patterned seat. We've got wireless charging like I mentioned before. We've got heated seats, the infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Coming back to the outside, you can see you can open the entire tailgate or just the glass. Also comes equipped with your towing hitch. So if you can see yourself riding in this Bronco Sport, stop on out, see John, and discover the Donley difference.